Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the starting folder that appears upon startup of the Outlook application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the File tab and then select Options. Now you want to select the Advanced button. And now on the right side underneath Outlook Start and Exit, start Outlook in this folder. You can select the Browse button and then select which folder you want Outlook to start in. And then you would select OK to save it and then OK one more time. And that's all you have to do. So it should take effect once you restart Outlook. And hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.